Hey guys, my name is Khaled and today we have a desk makeover. A huge shout out to Raico for sending these products over. So let's get started. First, we've got the headphone stand. What do you get included in the box? A thank you, 10% off. We've got some rubber feet and also the main star of the show, the headphone stand. Now I do really like the walnut and brass finish. It looks exquisite. We have the indentation at the top for where your headphone will be resting and also a little area at the bottom of the headphone stand used for storage. This easily fits most headphones. At the moment I've got my Soundcore Q30 but also my Samsung SR850 fit fine and they have quite a thick band. In the storage section of the stand I normally put my AirPods and Apple Watch, but you can put other stuff on there, and believe it or not my iPhone 14 Pro Max does actually just about fit in with a case, but you can put your keys, memory card, anything you desire. Swiftly moving over to item number 2, we have the Raico wood laptop dock. The materials consist of American walnut, stainless steel and merino wool. The first thing you get when you open up the box itself are some rubber feet, so you'll make sure whichever surface it's on it won't get scratched, and the packaging is done very well. I haven't had any damage or scratches on the product. You can see the merino wool in the middle, stainless steel for the actual portion where the laptop will go into, and the walnut finish. So at the moment I have my 2019 15.4 inch MacBook Pro docked without any issues at all. I know I put it in the wrong way. The ports are supposed to be at the bottom, but I always get stuff the wrong way. Anyway, so that fits in absolutely fine both ways, just to clarify by the way. And here we have my laptop back from uni days. Now this is the Lenovo U410 I believe. Now it's quite a thick boy. Back in the time it was quite slim, but unfortunately now it just doesn't fit. And here we have the MacBook Pro 13 inch. That fits absolutely fine without any problem. It doesn't move too much either, so it will stay firm in position. Now I've taken the laptop out and put it back in around 50 times. I wanted to see the durability of the glue on the merino wool, and so far no scratches either. And now it's time for the last piece of the puzzle, the Raico black desk shelf. They also sent out a brown one and I'll show you that slightly later on. So what do we get when we open it up? It's packaged quite well. We do have a bit of paperwork, assembly instructions, welcome, 10% off, scan me, all that good stuff. Packaged really well. I didn't have any scratches. I didn't have any issues with shipment on all 4 of my products. Let's see what's included. So you get these feet. At the bottom we've got the textured wood finish, and then we've got screws in here, pretty easy to set up. You've got pre-drilled holes in there. We have Raico branding which is not intrusive, very easy to set up. Follow the instruction and you won't have any issues. So we put these parts on first. You can see on these little screws we've got the arrow as well. Make sure it's pointing down. Make sure you screw it in properly, but don't put too much force. You'll know when it's done, and don't over tighten. We have this metal plate that has a felt top, so it won't scratch any of your electrical products or devices. So normally the clearance from ground to top of the shelf is 10 centimeters. When you put this in, you get 5 centimeters on the top and bottom, so you can fit your Mac Mini and a notebook as such. And as you can see, the felt will protect your products and you won't get any scratches. So the depth of the shelf is 23 centimeters, thickness of just over 2 centimeters right here, and the clearance from the top to bottom 10 centimeter with the shelf 5 centimeter each. If you have a dual monitor setup or an ultra wide, you shouldn't have too much of an issue because the desk shelf measures in at 116 centimeters in length. Alright, so far I think it's transformed my desk setup. It looks really nice, classy and clean. What are your views? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Hit me up in the comment section below. If you want more information on these products, then I'll leave a link in the description box. As always guys, if you like the content, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.